So, are you gonna
pot some plants? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be potting up some plants today.
Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
My son says hello.
I'm working.
This mix is
No.
from other plants that I got. So it's just very, has a lot of drainage.
No.
I know some of you asked if I use,
I love you, Mama.
love you too, baby. If I reuse any like soil, and I do, if I see that it's still good.
Hello.
If it's good, if the plants were nice and clean, I do. Alright, so first I'm going to put this, or just water this. It's a little, oh wow, you're making a lot of noise.
I poured the wood like this. Look at. What about like this quietly?
Okay. So I have this cluster of, I don't know what type of Echeveria or Sediveria. I'm not sure. If you know, let me know. Sorry about the sun. Super bright right now. And my son is out here with me. You're gonna hear him out here. Okay.
I have to because I'm fixing something.
I'm just gonna keep that together because it looks really pretty.
Mama,
Yes.
you wanna know what I'm building?
What are you building?
I'm building like something. That I'm working on this.
Okay. I have these. Trying to block the sun here. The sun is like, let me see if I can move the shade thing. I have these guys. Super cute. I don't know if I'm gonna use them all though. Let's see. I just like the green color. This is one of the pots I got, so I'm gonna try and use it. Oh yeah, I like that little cluster, or a little like that amount of them. Just like that. Let me see what else I'm gonna put in here. I should put this pop of color in there. I feel like I should. This is a Echeveria Serrana. It's so pretty. It's like, I don't know if you could really tell the color. It's like a really deep purpley color. So gorgeous. I think I'm gonna put this one in here. Just because it's so beautiful. Okay. I just watered this, so it's super wet. Let's see. Take some of the soil off. My son. I'm not trying to disrupt the roots, really. I'm just trying to take a little bit of the soil
What
off.
else I got?
Whoa, that's a lot of tools, bud. Okay, I'm gonna take some of this out. And this little popped off. Okay. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, yes. It's gonna look pretty in there. I just recently got all these pots. I got a lot of pots from Pottery Manufacture and Distribution in Gardena. So if you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. There are some cool terracotta pots that I got. And
Mama, are you trying to put on terracotta pot?
I'm planning, yeah, in my terracotta pot. Hands are super dirty now. The soil was wet. Yeah, it has so many nice pots. So I'm happy to pot them up. I've been wanting to pot these up. This one especially, it's so pretty. It's so compact. So I wanted to put it in here. Let's see. I think it looks really cool. Okay. I feel like that's the front and those like the background. It could be either way. Either way, every way you look at it, it's pretty. Okay, let me get my top dressing. I'm gonna use this top dressing. It's Oro Verde. You can find it on my Amazon link to my store. I love this top dressing. It's so nice. Alrighty, so let's put on the top dressing here. I have a lot of updates to do. Me and my brother made like a little shelf for my succulents. That I'm gonna eventually make into a greenhouse. Right now it's just like a shelf really. I put some plastic on the side, but
oh yeah, Mama, this is the thing that grabs like screws and then they go like.
Oh, okay.
And like what I'm doing, there's a screw in here. Look at.
Cool.
Cool, huh?
Cool, babe.
And look at these are 4 wrenches.
Cool, babe. Yeah, I'll have to show you guys eventually. What else? Yeah. I have my new hangers in my shop that I'll show you guys as well. I have, oops, I just broke a leaf. Oh man. Okay. That's okay. It happens.
Hey Mama, where's my scissors?
Your scissors. Okay.
Thank you.
Be careful with them, please.
No, I'm careful. I'm just putting them in here. In my tool pouch.
Okay. Alright, let's see.
Hey, this is the other wrench. Look it. You twisting with it.
That's a wrench.
Uh-huh.
That's a wrench. I'm not sure what the other one tool's called. I have to find out.
This one's a wrench.
Pliers? I think they're pliers.
Hmm?
I think the other ones are pliers.
What are pliers?
That tool. I think it's called plier. I think. Just want to see the soil in there, so that's why I'm kind of going in between these leaves here. Just like that.
So, Mama, can I finish someone else my
Maybe on the table?
Huh?
On the table?
I have a perfect idea where I'm going to have his foot.
Where?
Right here.
Cool. Okay, let me take this out and I'll show you. Alrighty, here it is. Quick little spin. So pretty, that color. I feel like that's the front because that color just pops. It's really fun potting up this low bowl, it's called. It's so nice. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.